Okay, the first standard contracts. A standard contract is a contract in which the clauses are made unilaterally by a party with stronger positions and bargaining position and stated in a document that binds the parties, while another party with weaker positions and bargaining positions doesn't have the opportunity to negotiate these clauses, but only have the choice of agreeing or rejecting. Okay, next. Mariam Darul Bardut Salman classifies standard contracts into two groups, namely, first, general standard agreement, namely an agreement whose form and contents have been prepared in advance by the creditor and then presented to the debtor. Two, special standard agreement, namely an agreement determined by the government unilaterally and enforced by the parties. Okay, various agreements. Obligatory agreements are divided into several types, namely, first, unilateral agreements and reciprocal agreements. A unilateral agreement is an agreement that imposes performance on only one party. Meanwhile, reciprocal agreements are an agreement that imposes performance obligations on both parties. 2. Free agreement and burden agreement. Free agreement is an agreement in which one party provides a benefit to another party without receiving any benefit for himself. Meanwhile, an agreement on expenses is an agreement that requires one party to carry out directly related achievement with the achievements that must be carried out by other parties. 3. Consensus agreement, real agreement, and formal agreement. Agreement consensus is an agreement that is binding since there is an agreement from both sides. Meanwhile, a real agreement is an agreement that is not only requires agreement, but also requires surrender of the object agreement or object. A formal agreement is an agreement that does not require agreement, also requires certain formalities according to what has been determined by law. 4. Name agreements. A name agreement and mixed agreement. A name agreement is an agreement that is specifically regulated within constitutions. An animals agreement is an agreement that is not regulated specifically in law. Mixed agreement is an agreement which is a combination of two or more name agreements. Non-obligatory agreements are divided into: first, zakilage over incomes is an agreement that stipulates the transfer of a right from one person to another, for example, changing the name to the name. 2. Bevis over incomes is an agreement to proffer something. 3. Liberatory over incomes is an agreement where someone releases another party from an obligations. And 4. Festeling over incomes is an agreement to end doubts regarding the content and extent of legal relations between the parties.
Valid condition of an agreement as stipulated in Article 1320 of the Criminal Code. In order for an agreement or contract to be valid, it must meet four types of valid condition. First, their binding agreement. Second, the capacity to make an agreement. Third, a specific subject matter. And fourth, a lawful cause. The first two conditions are subjective conditions. If these conditions are violated, then the agreement can be cancelled. And the last two conditions are objective conditions. If these conditions are violated, then the agreement is null and void. When the agreement was born, in the law of agreements, there is a principle called the principle of consensualism. The principle of consensualism is an agreement between the parties to bind themselves in agreement. The Civil Code regulates that an agreement can be cited to valid and binding if an agreement has been reached between the parties. In positive law, the principle of consensualism refers to the civil Code, especially Article 1320. Referring to the article, the meaning of an agreement comes into effect if the agreement binds itself. In an agreement, there is enough agreement from them, unless the agreement is formal. This means that the agreement has been deemed to exist and has binding legal consequences since the agreement was reached with the agreement reached by the parties. The agreements was born. The meaning of the agreement being born is the agreement actually only gives birth to rights and obligations. Therefore, in principle, the agreement in the concept of the civil code is obligatory.
Cancellation of agreement. Cancellation of agreement is like Excel to terminate of term agreement is be made pre-sale. The cancellation or agreement can be done if the agreement is not met the legal condition of the agreement or the valid version for cancellation. Here are some of the terms and how to cancel the agreement. 1. Term of cancellation of agreement. 2. Reason for cancelling. 3. Annulment record. 4. Consequence of cancellation. Implementation of agreement. Implementation of agreement is the place of implementation involving obligations that have been agreed upon by both parties in agreement. The implementation of a valid agreement must meet certain conditions stipulated in the code. Expensive Article 1420. The implementation of the agreement must be done in good faith. The standard of good faith in the implementing of the agreement is an objective standard. With this standard, the behavior of the parties in implementing the agreement and the assessment of the content of the agreement must be based on the principle of rationality and propriety.
Anatomy contract. Number one, contract title provide a general description of the content and purpose of the contract. Example, good distribution corporation agreement between PT ABC dan PT AKZ. Number two, the heading section, sometimes referred to as the preamble, is the section where the identity of the parts involved are identified in the contract state. Example, today September 7, 2024, taking place in Jakarta, and agreement has been signed between PT ABC domiciled in Jakarta, represented by the President Director Mr. A, hereinafter referred to as PT Party, PT AKZ domiciled in Surabaya, represented by the President Director Mr. Number 3, comparison is the part that explains the background or reason why the part made the agreement, usually contain previous relationship between the parts of specific goal to be achieved with the contract. Example, that the first party is a company engaged in the production of electronic goods, while the second party has a distribution network for electronic goods in Indonesia. Therefore, both parties have agreed to collaborate in the distribution of electronic products in Indonesia territory. Number 4, cause basis for explanation. This section covers the legal consideration or basis of the agreement, including the right and obligation of said party. This is where the parties outline the basic of a valid and binding agreement law. Example, based on the agreement of the party, it is stipulated that the first party will supply electronic product to the second party on ongoing basis periodically every month. B. The second party will distribute that product throughout Indonesia at mutually agreed price. Number 5. Closing explanation. The closing section contain general provision regarding the agreement should change the contract, applicable law and statement mechanism. This problem occurs between the parties. Example, all change or amendment to this contract must be made in writing agreed to be both parties. This contract is subject to applicable law in the Republic of Indonesia. If a dispute, of course, the party agree to resolve if it through attribution in accordance with applicable relationship. This section is the place where the parties inflate in the contract, but the restrict matter as from agreement and commitment to the content of the contract. Example, Jakarta, 7 September 2024, signature first party Budi Santoso.